In today's episode, we're going to share bits of our early episodes as far back as the start of this amazing lifestyle. We also have to be at the surgery center so Chris's doctor can dig deeper into his chest to be sure that the cancerous growth is completely gone. So, how great is it to have these videos so that we can look back on so many amazing times? We'll have cards at each clip that will link you to that particular video. Look in the upper right corner of the screen.
We did it. We're actually here. This is our first day out. Just can't believe it. This is the view out our windows. We've been here for a few hours. We set up primarily with just the idea of coming here to make sure that all the modifications, everything that we've had done, all the work that we did to the RV is going to be solid. The trip was nothing big, nothing special, nothing bad. Just good. It was relaxing. It was quiet. It was an easy setup in a beautiful place. We stopped at Cape.
Well, we're at Meridian, and it's another beautiful, blustery, cold sort of a day. Take a look at the skies. Another big storm's supposed to be coming in, and we're supposed to be getting a whole bunch of rain. Again, so unusual for us. One of the things that I just realized is we haven't talked a whole lot about ourselves in a while. You know, we talk about what's going on and stuff like that, but I haven't said a whole lot about me. My name, I'm Chris. My wife is Shelley, and her service dog is Grizzly. Yeah, you're cute, buddy. She is not able to get out as much as I do, so it's up to me to work and training, and I've got a lot of experience training dogs. We do our morning walks, which you hear all the time. And I've got some issues that I'm dealing with right now. Our name is License. We started 9 years ago, full-time RVing, I think it is now. It's 8 or 9 years. I'll have to look it up. but it started on a rocky start for us, especially for Shelley. We got on the road, traveled up the West Coast, got to see a lot of wonderful things. Did the Pacific Coast Highway in a 30-foot bumper pull. And it was amazing. And then Shelley decided it was a little too small. So we ended up getting a big 42-foot fifth wheel. It's been beautiful and a wonderful rig, but it's an awful lot, and I'd love to go back to a smaller one. And something without slides, without hassles, quick and easy, nimble, like an Airstream. My grandparents traveled the country on one, and I would so much love to do it.
Hi, this is Shelley, the other half of our license to travel. Our next stop was at the Malibu Beach RV Park. If you love beautiful ocean views, this park is right off the Pacific Coast Highway. The park offers what is called beach views and mountain views, though you can see the ocean from any site that you're parked at.
I'm dealing with cancer right now. And as I said in a couple of the last videos, another piece was found, this time skin cancer on my chest, and tomorrow I go in for surgery. Not looking forward to it, but they're going to try to get the margins out, get it taken care of, and make sure that I don't have any more hassles with it. It's still real nasty looking, even after they remove the initial mold. So let's see what happens. I'll see if we can get the camera in, and if Shelley and Grizz can come into surgery while they're doing it.
Okay, why are we here?
Because I'm going to get my third nipple taken off. I'm having Mohs surgery. They're going in to clean up the cancer that they found on my chest. So we'll see. Shouldn't be bad. I have my support with me. That's him.
Grizzy. Fair warning, if you're even the littlest bit squeamish, you may want to skip this part of the video.
Life is full of little surprises. We'll talk more about this later on. With any luck, you'll get to see what happens.
As always, insiders, you are the ones who make this channel possible. Yanks RV Park was our next stop, and they have Good Sam discounts. The park itself is located about 130 miles or so south of San Francisco in the middle of some large farm fields. Most of the spots are pull-through on concrete slabs with decorative wood chips and shrubs, along with picnic tables, stand-up barbecues, and full-service hookups. The ends of the aisles have big grassy areas, so you are never truly on the end. They have an enclosed dog park area, along with laundry, pool, and lots of other amenities, all of which is immaculately maintained. They have folks in golf carts to direct you into your spot and help you with any questions that you might have. Although off the beaten path, this is by far one of the nicest parks we have stayed at to date. To all our viewers, please share this and all of our videos with friends and family. And please, travel safe.